Here's a 2014 BMW X6. This powerful and capable X6 encourages you to blaze your own trails. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: intercooled turbo i6 engine, sports suspension, external memory control, memory exterior door mirror settings, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rear view mirror, AM/FM HD satellite prep radio, memory steering wheel settings, dual zone climate control, front and rear parking sensors, and Bluetooth wireless audio streaming. Car and Driver proclaims, a star in the rhombus-shaped segment, the weird but intimidating X6 continues to be a surprisingly delightful vehicle to drive. BMW, sheer driving pleasure. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today. Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.